Good morning, boys and girls. We're going to be continuing on with lesson 2.7. This is page 102, the problem solving part. We're going to be going over these problems together. So this says, write a number sentence with a symbol for the unknown, and then we're going to solve. So let's read the problem. A 10-speed bike is on sale for $199, and a 12-speed racing bike is on sale for $458. How much do the two bikes cost all together? So we're going to be doing all together, and remembering from when you guys were in kindergarten and first grade, all together means we're going to add those. So I like to put them on top of each other to make it easier for my brain to add them. So 199 plus the 458. Let's see here. And we've got our unknown number is our answer down here that we're going to be finding. So 8 plus 9 is 17. 7 from the ones place we put down, and the 1 in the tens place we're going to bring over here to this. That's the regrouping part. 9 plus 5 is 14, plus 1 more is 15. Put the 5 from the 15 and the 1 up here. So 4 plus 1 is 5, plus 1 more is 6. So all together, the two bikes cost $657. Now let's look at number 15. A newspaper surveyed 475 students about their favorite sport. A magazine surveyed 189 students about their favorite snack. How many students were surveyed by the magazine and the newspaper? So for these, it wants to know all together how many were surveyed by both the magazine and the newspaper. Well, look here, there was 475 students that were surveyed about the newspaper, and then there were 189 students that were surveyed about their favorite snack. So now we're going to put those together to find out how many were surveyed. So 9 plus 5 is 14. Put the 1 up at the top to regroup. 8 plus 7 is 15, plus 1 more is 16. Put the 6 with the 1 at the top to regroup. 4 plus 1 is 5, plus 1 more is 6. So 664 students were surveyed at those two particular favorite problems. Okay, so now let's go on to the brain builders. Number 16. Use the digits 3, 5, and 7 to make two three-digit numbers where the greatest possible sum. Use each digit one time in each number. Write a number sentence and explain your reasoning. So we've got these three numbers. We've got to make an addition or number sentence to make the greatest possible sum, and we're going to make two three-digits numbers. So we're going to use each number, and then we are going to put them in down here so we can see what we were doing. So the greatest number that I can come up with is to put the 7 in the hundreds place, and then the 5 in the tens, and then the 3 in the ones. That's the largest number I can come up with. And it wants me to do that to create the greatest possible sum. Well, with the second number, I'm going to do the exact same thing because that's the highest I can get the first time, and it's still the highest I can get the second time. So now I'm going to add those together. So 3 plus 3 is 6. 5 plus 5 is 10, so we put the 0 down from the 10 and we carry the 1 at the top to regroup. 7 plus 7 is 14, plus 1 more is 15. Put the 5 down, there's no other digit or place value to regroup to, so we have 1,506 is the greatest number that we could come up with that. And so explain your reasoning. These are the largest numbers I can add from what they gave us right there. Okay, so now let's look at our last problem. How can I use place value to add 3-digit numbers? How can you use place value to add 3-digit numbers? Well, place value helps me recognize if I need to regroup, which is what we've been working on. So place value helps me regroup with 3-digit numbers, because I know that the ones get added together, the tens get added together, the hundreds get added together, so that I can get the correct number possible. So thank you guys, and we will see you again next time. Bye.